Let's be honest, we want to make enough money in order to live a comfortable life, help our family, and be financially secure. You don't need billions for that. A stable income and good personal finance skills are just enough. How to get wealthy the smart way as a young and ambitious person? Let's get straight to it. As a student, you have more free time and more energy than anyone else. But how do you utilize these assets of yours to the fullest in order to make money? In this video, we're analyzing the steps you need to make in order to be a wealthy person. The only thing I ask you is to watch the video until the end. This will allow you to fully grasp this subject. Now, the first thing you must do is understand the basics. The world has been evolving so fast for the last decade. Everything has changed. Now, there are still the blue-collar jobs like agriculture, manufacturing, which pay you good money. However, why don't you utilize the power given to you by the internet? Everyone is on their phone anyway. They're browsing the internet. Because of that, we got a lot of new opportunities. There are hundreds of new industries that you can join and grow in by working online. Of course, you can work a blue-collar job and earn enough money in order to sustain yourself comfortably. However, it is very hard to scale a job like that. Since you're getting paid for the hours you work, you're limited to working 24 hours a day, which is not sustainable in the long run.
If you have to work 70 hours a week, you're doing it wrong.
In the online medium, not only can you scale your income very quickly, you can also get paid for your results, rather than the time you put in to achieve them. The second step is to pick a fast-growing niche, ideally one that allows you to make money online. You can become a media buyer, you can be in charge of a social media, you can become a creator yourself and inspire other people. The secret is to pick one niche and to go all in on it. If you have expenses and a lifestyle you must sustain, then don't leave your current job. Become better at doing your job, optimize it, so when you come home and have free time, you can focus entirely on the new niche that you have picked. The third step is to start working right away. Don't slip away in the student cycle, which basically implies that you're always learning, waiting for that big moment when you start to feel confident. Even when you don't feel confident enough to take on a new client or start a new project, you must do it and learn on the way. Nobody feels confident until they actually do the job. Therefore, take on the opportunities that are available. Work for free in order to get your foot in the door and get the experience. Build an amazing portfolio and start scaling your client base. You must be hungry to acquire new knowledge. Therefore, make sure that you pick a niche that interests you. The fourth and the final step to earning a lot of money is to scale your operations. You either niche down and become an expert on a very specific topic, or you pick a broad topic and build a team around you that will help you. By the time you get to this step, you might already be close to the goal of $5,000 per month. And always remember, the faster you start putting in the real action, the faster you start living the life of your dreams.